So we continue. We have been talking about this principle. We set an image, 3-line buffers. I will explain in a different way. This work or representation is taken from Vipin Kispat. I will try to give him credit. So the principle, if you imagine this is an image, for example 512 by 512, and every time we apply this kernel, which is 3 by 3, we pass it one by one. So here we do all the calculation one by one, then do the summing to get this pixel. The output value will be replacing this pixel. And we do the same thing by sliding this kernel one pixel at a time. So you notice that every time we need these three, they belong to this line, this line, this line. That's why we need to copy this one in a line buffer, second one, third one to do this operation, because data are coming in streaming. Now when we finish all this line one by one, we need to come to the following line and doing the same work. So this is what we are going to do. We copy this one in first line buffer, second one, second line buffer, third one in third line buffer, one by one. And every time we extract 3, so we have 3, 3, 3. We multiply it by using the convolution using the kernel to get one value. The challenge is to design the control that do this copying and convolution. And of course, we notice that we need, when we finish this, we need to go to the fourth one. So the fourth, we come to the first line buffer. But like this, it will not going to work. We will explain it later. We will say that we need a fourth line buffer that we will need to use while these are being calculated. The coming data will not be lost, will be stored in the fourth line buffer. So the goal is to design this image processing IP that needs to access to the raw or the DDR where the image is stored using this direct memory access controller IP through the Zinc PS processor. So each time we get the DMA to give us an image, we do the processing, three lines from this. We fill them in the line buffer, we do the calculation. When this finished and the data start coming out, we send this interrupt to let the processor know that we need the following line buffer. So the fourth line buffer, we use the number 2, 3, and 4, and we output data, give it interrupt to give us the following line buffer. So this is the principle that we need, or we are going to try to code it.